Hi you guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. I hope all of you are doing amazing. In today's video, I'm gonna take you along through my shoot day. Today is Saturday and it's a shoot day for me. I usually film on weekends because on the weekdays I'm really busy with my full-time job. This content creation is a part-time thing for me, just in case you didn't know. Today I'm gonna shoot for the entire day because I have a lot to film. So I'm gonna show you all the BTS behind the scenes of how I shoot, the setup, prepping up for the shoot, editing, uploading, basically everything. And I really hope you enjoy watching the video. So before we begin, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn the notification bells on so that you get notified each time I upload a video. And now let's get started. So the very first thing which I'm going to do is prep my skin because I need to prepare my skin for all that makeup which I'm going to apply during the shoot. So just going to prep my skin, do some skincare, starting from this ice because my face is like very puffy right now. So ice laga ke, it will calm my skin and reduce the puffiness. So I'm done applying ice and my skin is breaking out like anything. मतलब इतने टाइम से कुछ नहीं हुआ था, अब आज शूट करना है तो आज ही होना था ये सब. Look at this, it is so bad, it has even turned red and it pains like anything. Over here as well. And कल रात को तो यहाँ पे भी हो रहा था. I think it's better, but over here I think I'm gonna break out again. So God knows what is coming my way. But anyways, I have to shoot today. किसी भी हालत में I have some deadlines. So I'm gonna move on to the next process, which is removing excess facial hair. That is very important because after I remove the excess hair, makeup application becomes really easy. So let's move on to that. Just putting my hair out of the way, and I'm going to start by applying some aloe vera gel on my face. Loads of it because without this aloe vera gel, I cannot shave my face. So it's very important. I'm just going to tie my hair and apply a face pack because I have to make sure that my skin glows on camera. So doing some extra skincare. This one is from Pilgrim. I will link all the products in the description box down below. You can check them out. Okay, so जब तक I think this face pack looks really pretty, but anyways जब तक ये सूखता है I'm gonna do my nails. I'm gonna change my nail paint because बहुत टाइम से मैंने ये color लगा रखा है. So I'm gonna apply this one. Again, I will link this as well in the description box along with the rest of the products. So I'm gonna quickly remove this and apply this and then wash this. Done with my face pack. Feels really good and fresh. Also, I've removed my nail paint and now I'm going to quickly moisturize my face and then apply the nail paint. So I'm using this Nivea's moisturizer. It's really good for dry skin. I'm going to apply loads of it because it's never too less. I'm also going to apply some sunscreen because I shoot in a lot of light, so just to protect my skin I'm going to apply a nice quantity of sunscreen and let it just settle down in my skin. जब तक मैं start करूँगी shoot करना तब तक it will settle down into my skin. Now this sunscreen is like very bad, the one which I'm using. So I will not link this one in the description box, but मैंने खरीद ली थी, अब बस ख़त्म करने के लिए मैं यूज़ कर लेती हूँ उसको shoots में अपने, because you can clearly see इतना white cast छोड़ती है ये cream and it's very sticky and oily as well. Although it says ultra matte lotion, I'll just show you only. This is what I'm talking about. So it says it is light and non-sticky. You can clearly see how light and non-sticky this is, and it also says ultra matte lotion, but I can guarantee you it is super oily and very bad. So you can see it has made me white, but with time it will settle down into my skin. So जब तक मैं shoot करना start करूँगी it will be fine. So I'm gonna just leave it as it is and apply my nail paint, and nail paint sukhane ke baad I will be back with you guys. Hi, so I am back. I'm done with my nails. This is how the color looks like. I think it's very pretty, simple nude color. Let me know in the comments if you also like this color. And now I'm gonna quickly do my hair. I'm running really late. I also feel sleepy. काफी time लग गया इसको सुखाने में. But yeah, I'm gonna do my hair. I usually don't style my hair. You might have noticed it in my videos. Simply मैं ऐसे ही बाल लेके बैठ जाती हूँ. But I'm gonna do my hair this time because I've got my hair colored and I think they look frizzier than they actually are. Because of the color, they look very dry and frizzy. So just thoda proper lage video mein, that's why I'm going to style it a little bit, not too much. So I'm using this blow dry brush from Alantruman. I'll again link it in the description box down below. I'm quickly going to do a little bit of blow dry and then we'll do the setup. So you can see thoda sa hi karke it creates a huge difference. It looks very proper now and neat as well. So बस इतना सा ही स्टाइल करने से मेरा काम हो जाता है. And now I'm going to quickly do the setup. I have to keep my light, camera, tripod, vanity and all of that. So let me just show you that now. This is my setup. This is my mirror, these are my makeup brushes, and then this is the tripod where I'm going to put the camera and the light, and this is my makeup right next to me. So that's how I'm going to shoot, and this is what I'm wearing for the first look. So I'm going to quickly do my makeup and shoot the first video, and then I will see you when I will change into look 2. Okay, so I'm done filming after so many hours, but it was quite a productive day and I'm really happy I was able to shoot so many things at the same time. But now looking at the mess, I just can't clear this. It's so messy right now. Can you just see all of this? Like I have to clean all of this right now and then remove my makeup and sit for editing because एक video मुझे आज ही upload करनी है. So let's get going. I'll clear this mess, I'll remove my makeup and then I'll catch up with you guys. So right now I'm creating a thumbnail for my YouTube video that I'm just about to upload. So as you can see, it's the Nykaa sale haul and this video is already live on my channel. You can check it out. So I'm just gonna save this, and now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the YouTube Studio app, and I already had uploaded this video, so I'm just gonna upload the thumbnail now, and that's how it looks. So I'm just gonna save it now, and next what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a few details like title and the product links and everything. Links I already had added, but some hashtags and other details are left, so I'm just gonna do that. Let me know in the comments if you like this thumbnail, and I'm gonna go back to adding the details. I think the title is fine. And yeah, that's it. That's all the details I needed to add, and I'm gonna save it again, and now I'm just gonna upload the video. So going public from private, so set as instant premiere, it just heads reaching at the top of your subscriptions. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, and the video is going live. So yeah, that's what it is. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I am done with shooting, I am done with editing. A video just went live and I am done for the day. I hope आपको इस video की notification गई हो, the one which I just showed you. And in case you didn't get the notification, you need to turn your notification bells on so that you don't miss out any of my videos. you'll get notified only if your notification bells are on, so make sure you do that. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. You saw a lot of things which goes behind one video, and there's a lot of effort. I hope you noticed that, and I hope you support more by watching all of my content, hitting the like button and sharing it with everyone you know. And for a person like me who's a part-time creator, a lot of effort goes in. I mean, हर एक creator बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत करता है, but for a part-time creator, it's even more difficult because we need to deliver our content like a full-time creator. We need to post every day and shoot in just 1 or 2 days. सो हमारे पास सिर्फ 2 दिन होते हैं कंटेंट क्रिएट करने के लिए एंड पोस्ट रोज करना होता है. सो इट्स डिफिकल्ट कंपेयर टू द फुल टाइम क्रिएटर, बट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे इट्स माई चॉइस. ऑब्वियसली आई रियली enjoy creating content for you guys, so I hope you guys like it too. And in case you don't, a constructive feedback is always welcome. So go ahead and comment down below whatever you notice, whatever feedback you have for me. I would love to alter my content accordingly. And if you have any video requests, always welcome to comment down below. And yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and please up to bell on kari lo, and keep coming back for more videos.